And if you see any kind of a Botox is being done, so how do you like? Would you like to support, or would you say that our inner beauty would be the truth?
I'm very old school, as well as, I do accept things that are coming in. I think it's onto every individual.
Yeah.
I think if you like doing it and you have that money to spend, I think why not to do it? Today's time, when you have availability that, suppose if you have an availability of a new car, if you think that you can afford that car, you're going to buy it, right?
Yeah.
The same if you're going to afford a dress, you're going to buy it. If you think that, that is making you feel good and it's giving you that confidence you want, you should do it. But I think naturally aging gracefully is much more fun because you're going to look your age, even if you're taking the Botox. If you see an Alia Bhatt, if you see an Deepika Padukone, and if you see an Rekha, okay, all three are aging gracefully and they all are different at their own age.
Yeah.
Look their age. Like after taking Botox, if you think that you're going to look young as
Someone-
Alia,
And
you
if
can't.
if you all look same, then it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't
right?
make sense.
Your essence is gone.
So it's gone. So you have to look good at your age. Yeah, but taking a little bit, if you're having it, I don't think it's any problem. But I think you should accept the way you are, and if you do or don't do, it's just up to you.
But that is taking a toll on someone's health as well, right? There are a lot of cases where we have seen that those kind of surgeries they are done, and
those are extreme cases.
So
that's
don't
what
be
I
that
tell you.
obsessed.
Yeah, don't be obsessed, because it is a fact. Once you start with these things, you get obsessed because you start noticing small changes in you. Like when I'm smiling today, I see those fine lines, but I know I have got them because today I'm 40 plus.
Yes.
So okay, you can't look like, if I look at my daughter, I feel, oh wow, she doesn't have, even on your hands.
Yes.
You will see certain wrinkles coming. You see that they are different hands. If you put a 18-year-old, you put a 48-year-old, and you put a 78-year-old, of course you're going to see that difference. So don't get obsessed to that level that would rupture your body.
Exactly.
And,
don't be that obsessed.
Yeah.
So that's what I wanted to message to people, that don't get carried away with Kim Kardashian's lifestyle, her Botox. Be yourself.
And
you should look yourself.
I feel at the end of the day, somewhere when you're real, you feel happier.
Yes.
So, being real is better than
that is natural beauty.
Yeah.